Good morning, friends, and happy Wednesday. The project that I have for all of us to do today is to make shape magnifying glasses. So all we are going to need for this project is a piece of paper, a pen, glue, scissors, and a few popsicle sticks. So the first thing that we are going to do is take our piece of paper and draw a shape. Then you are also going to draw that same shape right in the middle. Once you have your shape drawn out, you're just going to want to cut out all the lines and then have your frame for your magnifying glass. As soon as you have all of your shapes cut out, you're just going to take some glue and a popsicle stick to glue your frame to the back of your shape. Once you have all of your magnifying glasses done, I made 4, you will just go around the house and look for items that match the shape. So I will show you guys what I found. For my rectangle, I found a tissue box. For my triangle, I found a bottle of lotion. For my circle, I found tape. And for my square, I found a book. So if you guys decide to try this out, I would love to see what you guys find. Have a good day.